In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix there was an error when opening the link on Meta AI app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So most likely if you are experiencing this, it's because Meta AI has experienced a glitch or your phone has an issue that needs to be fixed. Or sometimes it might be there is a server error on Meta AI app. In any of these scenarios, let me show you how you can fix it. First, you want to ensure that you have stable internet connection while trying to open any link from Meta AI app. However, if internet or network connection is not the issue, then we need to troubleshoot the app. To do this, just go to your phone and look for settings. And from settings, scroll to apps. Under apps, go to manage apps or all apps and tap on it to list all the apps you have on your phone. From the lists, search for Meta AI and hit is. And from this, first go to force stop and confirm. This will stop any background activities that might be causing this. Then go to clear data and clear all data and okay. Now restart your smartphone, and because of this you'll be logged out of your app. You'll need now to log in afresh on your Meta AI app, and now everything should be okay. However, should this still not work, then you want to check in and see that you are not using any proxy or security app that you recently installed on your app. If you have any of this, you need to turn them off or uninstall them and see if you can now open links without any restriction on Meta AI. However, should all this fail, then check it and see that you are using the latest version of Meta AI app by going to Google Play Store or App Store and then update your app to the latest version. However, even after doing this, if you still fail, then most likely Meta AI has experienced an internal error, that is internal server error or system error that should be fixed after some few minutes. So you need to check and then try again after some few minutes, and now everything should be okay. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.